The Morung, or youth dormitory, stands as a cornerstone of ZEME society, fostering the growth and development of young minds. HANGSEUKI for boys and LEUSEUKI for girls are not mere sleeping quarters, but vital institutions where life skills are imparted. Within their walls, youths learn the essence of self-reliance and discipline. These dormitories are more than educational centers. They are the heartbeat of ZEME religion and culture. Here, tradition is not just taught, but experienced, as the young members gain a profound understanding of mutual rights and social responsibilities. The Morung serves as a bridge, connecting generations while preserving the community's rich heritage. By participating in daily activities and communal tasks, ZEME youths develop a strong sense of duty and belonging. The lessons learned within the Morung shape them into responsible individuals, ensuring the continuity and integrity of their society.
Kalum